Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Today we're going to show you how to use a HDR image as a environment lighting. So first of all, get your scene up. This is my scene here through the camera. We need to go to the world properties. I haven't got any other lights in here apart from internal lights in the house. So go to world properties. We've got a color here. Don't need to worry about any of that. We just need to change that to environment texture. Okay, so go to your favorite website where you can get the HDR images from. I'm looking at Polyhaven. I've downloaded this symmetrical garden 2K HDR. Okay, we now go back to Blender, go to open, still in our world properties, and I downloaded symmetrical garden because that's going to give us some nice light. There we go. Now that's all great. Click on the strength and you can change either brighter or duller, depending on your scene, depending on what you're trying to get out of it. So what we can also do, we can see we've got shadows down here. So the sun is coming from the top right hand side. So what about if we want to move the sun? Okay, so what we need to do is come over here, go to shader properties or shader editor. Change to world, so we can see here we've got our image, symmetrical garden, background, world output. What we need to do now is right click Shift A, search mapping, so we can add that. Shift A, and we need texture coordinate. Oh, not that one. Shift A, let's just type in coordinate. There we go, texture coordinate. Now we need to vector into vector and generated into vector. So you can see now we've got our scene back, and what we can do now is go to rotation on the Z. So obviously this is going to rotate your HDR image. So say we want 90 degrees. So you can see now the sun's moved round, it's over to the left by the looks of it, whereas before it was over to the right, so it's obviously moved around there somewhere, or around here. So rotate, I mean you could just rotate it manually like that. You can see the background moving there, and there you can see the shadows coming up on the left hand side, depending on how you want your scene. I think that's pretty cool. You can also rotate it probably on the X. I mean that's going to really mess up your background there. But obviously you can give it a bit more rotation on the shadows there, like so. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with that, and that is pretty much it. So yeah, just go to your world properties, change your color to environment texture, open, get your HDR from HDR Haven or Polyhaven, depending on which one you want to use. Import it, add mapping, add texture coordinate if you want to change the sun round. I have got all this on my website, which is blendercube.co.uk, so you can go on there and it's all written down, so you can copy it all and use it for future. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, don't forget to hit that notification bell and give us a follow, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Ta-da!